Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. I have an ice cream, I have an ice cream. Look at the size of this, yum! I couldn't wait to renovate this little ice cream shop from the Surfer Beachfront set. I needed to make it a little bit bigger and even more cute. Okay, let's take a look. The bottom of the shop I kept the same, and I've put little bamboo plants at the front with a little ice cream sign and some flowers along here, and that was another spare sign because I bought two of these sets. Now I've put this on a 16 by 16 base plate, and I've kept the width of this building the same because I just thought it was too cute being this size. And more flowers here on the side scattered, but see here the depth of the building, I made it 2 more studs deep. I felt it needed it, and yes, I've put another little sign there inside the shop. So yeah, I kept the width the same, the depth's a bit bigger, and I increased the size of the bench here to have 2 waffle makers. I rebuilt this set about 3 times because I just wasn't happy with it and with the size, and then there's the ice cream, and then I thought the original size of it is just too cute for me to change it. Oh, hello Nana Laura. This is Nana Nora's sister Laura, who works at the ice cream shop here, and she can't wait to be serving up some ice cream. Oh Jojo, I can't wait to see my new apartment. Okay, this is the first room of the apartment, and it's the kitchen and lounge dining area, and I'm starting with a row of white bricks along the bottom. Now we're doing the walls in yellow, and these wall panels are from an old 4+ set that I had. I've got quite a few of these panels and I just love them. They're so decorated. They've got little flower pots and shutters already. Continuing with some more bricks here for the wall, and I just used up whatever I had left because this yellow colour is a little bit hard to come by. And here we have a brick with a clip to put all the utensils on the wall, and this is a little range hood here that's going above the stove top. I'll just finish off the walls here and here in the middle. Do some 1x2 bricks and a studded brick here because that's going to be for a picture later. And along the top I'm doing white bricks and yellow bricks, and that's an inverted slope that's going in. That's to support the floor upstairs. And these snot bricks at the front are going to be for some awnings. Hang on, I just need to put the other slope in there for the support of the floor upstairs. That's better. So just lining the top with some tiles, smoothing it off because it's going to be a detachable room upstairs, and just because I had so many of these tiles left over, I want to use them up. Kitchen's in next, white and magenta pink colour scheme. Nice simple design because it is a tiny little kitchen. And we've got some drawers here and the teapot there as well. And a little oven with a stove top. How cute! Picture time, and it's a little lifesaver with a seashell. And this couch is from Nana Nora's apartment. I thought I'll use it up in this one because it just fits so well. And look, a yummy little donut there for her, a little treat. What a cute apartment. I'd love to live in here. And over here I'm putting a little jar of coffee and a coffee cup and another little jar here on the shelf. We need some fruit in the fruit bowl, strawberry, some cherries and an orange slice. Yummy, nice and healthy. And I've made a little cushion here for this little couch too. Wow, Nana Laura! Yay, my new little apartment! Let's spin it round and time to do the awnings. Same as downstairs. Along the bottom here is another snot brick going in because it is a planter box for these plants. And I'm putting in this seaweed looking thing to make it look like a vine growing down. Okay, time to put it upstairs on this cute little ice cream shop. Look at this! It's so cute already! Alrighty, bathroom and bedroom time, and I decided to put the balcony on this section. I thought it looked best going up here. Another decorative panel, and I've just popped some stickers here of little pot plants inside, and I had another panel from Stephanie's beach house. That's where the bathroom stickers from. So now just building up the walls in yellow. And I had to rebuild this section about 4 times. I just could not get it right. I was like, I don't know how to do the front here, and I really wanted to use the arch. A snot brick going in here because that's going to be a holder for something. And some bigger snot bricks because they're going to be picture frame holders. Here's the arch that I really wanted to use, and I finally worked out how to do it. So I'm so happy with how this turned out now. Door time, putting that in, and finish off the wall up here in yellow. Now for some added decoration, I'm using some flowers here at the front and some of the dots tiles. Look at this. Just makes a plain wall look even more beautiful. And just some bricks along here to finish off the walls. Same along the top, finishing it off with some tiling to smooth it all off. And just because I had so many of these left over from the sets. There we are. Let's do the interior fit out now, and I'm putting up some pretty pictures on the wall. A cutesy little chest of drawers going in because it needs to be tiny for the apartment. Little flower and perfume bottle, and look, cute little single bed, perfect for Nana Laura. Toilet, and just a simple little basin sink for the bathroom. And I thought, let's chuck a surfboard on the wall. Needs to be added for some extra decoration. Nana Laura is jumping for joy and checking out her new bed. Balcony finishing off time, putting up some railings. DJ decks going up here. I couldn't make this fit, so I had to put it on top of the railing because the door wouldn't open. Now I have some foliage going on the front, and I could not put that umbrella up. I love it. And the speaker here is on the side. And she has a nice table and chair set to enjoy her new balcony. Here she is. Roof time, and I decided to use a rooftop deck from the surfer shop. And I just extended it by a 2x12 plate just to make it a bit bigger. Here we are, it's going on top. Oh my goodness, I love how this has turned out. I love the size of this. Oh, hang on, I've forgotten something. The important palm tree. Now we're talking, look at that. Now it is finished. Oh, Asti's come to join us. Hello, Asti. What are you doing here? I've come to buy an ice cream. Oh, me too. Let's go buy one now. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. What What flavour are you going to choose? I'm not sure. I'll take a look inside. Hello, Nana Laura. I'm after an ice cream for me and Jojo, please. Oh, yes, you've come to the right place. Would you like a waffle cone? Yes, please. Strawberry ice cream. Bubblegum for me, please. Alrighty. I shall make these waffle cones. Yum. Here we are, my ladies. Oh, I can't wait to eat this. Yum. Have a great day. Thank you, Nana Laura. Mia's enjoying a yummy chocolate ice cream and Ava wants some too. Yum, this bubblegum ice cream is so good. Asti, how is yours? Oh, I'm loving this strawberry. Best ice creams in town. Asti, can I have some ice cream, please? Oh, okay, sure. Whoops. Oh, it's all right. I'm just so excited. I want some of your ice cream. My custom ice cream shop build, and I am just totally in love with this. The colours, they just look so delicious. And I'm so glad I kept this building this width, the 12 studs wide, because it just makes it look even more adorable and cute. And it looks great next to my other buildings. So I hope I've given you some ideas on how you can modify yours. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative. See you next time.